I'll try out all the rice in a box meals kasi last time I ate this was 10 years ago. Sobrang flavorful na ito guys Di ko in-expect. Ba't ang sarap lahat?
Hi mga didis! Share ko lang, may isang beses kasi papunta ako sa isang restaurant tapos may nakita akong babae na nasa bus tapos may hawak na RBX. Diba sobrang iconic ng packaging nila so nag-crave talaga ako and I know it's been a while since I had it. So sakto, nag-grocery ako, might as well try rice in a box na rin. And the first thing I ordered is their Shanghai roll meal kasi sobrang nostalgic talaga ng lasang to.
2015, it's been 10 years at nandito pa si rice in a box. Nakalimutan ako na kasi. But anyway guys,
try natin lahat sa bahay.
Ang bango niya pa rin.
Anyway, so I ordered everything on the menu.
8 meals, 890 pesos.
There's 3 options, budget meal, rice toppings, and premium chow fan.
Never ko pa na-try ito actually nung high school ko. I don't think merong Korean fried rice. Actually, I don't remember. It's been 10 years guys. Don't quote me on anything.
So first up is the Korean fried rice. Sobrang hindi ko talaga in-expect yung flavor given the price kasi.
I guess it's the red pepper flakes na lasa. Sobrang flavorful, sobrang yum. Sobrang malasa. Umami bomb talaga to. Ito guys, kanina ko pa nakikita na ino-order ng mga tao. This is their beef and mushroom. Mga beef, small pieces. Sobrang beefy ng beef and mushroom nila. I get why people love rice in a box. Kasi sobrang sulit, ang daming sahog, and talagang lasang-lasa mo yung flavors nila. As in, ito naman yung pinaka-intriguing flavor.
This is their seafood bagoong.
Scallops. Sobrang yum! Hindi ko nakikita pero nagkikick na ako ng pa. And lastly guys, we have their ham and bacon na combo kaya meron siyang Shanghai roll on top. Meron din kasamang gulaman. Share ko lang. So, itong combo meal really brought me back to high school days. Talagang naglalakad ako to another school kasi magkakalapit lang just to buy gulaman for 10 pesos na nasa plastic bag. Ayan. Ito pala yung feeling kapag tumatanda. Lahat ng bagay, i-compare mo sa dati. Wag lang yung ex, guys. Baka magselos. This one so far is the parang pinaka-simple looking one na chow fan.
Sobrang perfecto as breakfast.
Guys, ang sarap nila ng ham and bacon nila. Ba't ang sarap lahat?
For the rice toppings
We
naman,
have their pork asado. Super generous talaga sa pork. And the rice, hindi siya yung mga broken rice or anything.
and this is their beef teriyaki.
Talagang beef siya, guys. So, alam mong walang daya.
So, yun lang guys. If you're
Kaya
looking for
natin.
something affordable, mura, convenient, at saka good for on-the-go na meal,
Hindi ka matatakot na matapon or anything.
pwede niyong balikan si rice in a box.
Nakakamiss talaga to. Yung lasa ng gravy nila, guys, I gotta say,
Talagang throwback.
hindi ka mabibitin sa lasa. Actually nga, baka magsisi ka na di ka nag-order ng dalawa eh. Hihi.